Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to be learning about triangles. So a triangle looks like this, right? This is a triangle. But triangles actually can look a lot of different ways. Often we think of a traditional triangle with equal sides that has a point at the top and a long base at the bottom. But if I turn it this way, is it still a triangle? Yeah, but the point's at the bottom and the line's at the top. And you can even turn it sideways. So then the line's here and the point's on the side. But there's always how many points in a triangle. So let's build this guy and think about how many points do I need? These are going to be my points. And then I have sides. So how many sides do I need? Okay, so let's study this triangle and think, how many sides does it have? And how many corners does it have? Okay, so tell me out loud what you think they are. Okay, let's see. I'm going to start. Okay, I have one side and one point or corner. All right, I need another side and I need another corner because it's not a triangle yet, right? So I'm going to add another corner here. And I need another side to connect it. So here's my other side. All right. Uh-oh, that's not looking right. I'm pretty sure I needed 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to connect it with a third one over here. See if I can connect it. There we go. All right, friends. What do you think? Is that a triangle? It's kind of bendy, huh? But that's a triangle, right? It matches. And remember, I can turn it, so I can turn it sideways like this. Or I can turn it so it's up like this. The only thing I would say is that it looks like this one, see how it's bending and it's not perfectly straight? For a true triangle, it needs to have straight lines like this, okay? It doesn't have curved lines like this. That's not a triangle, right? And this is not a triangle, okay? It has to have straight lines through a triangle like that. Because you're right, it has three corners, and 3 sides. Awesome. Put C for corners and S for sides. So that is how we define a triangle. So now I'm going to draw a few triangles, and I want you to tell me, is that a triangle? Is that a triangle? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, does it have 3 corners? 1, 2. These just kind of end. They don't form a corner. So no, it is not a triangle. It needs 3 of each. Let's do another one. What do you think? Triangle or not? 1, 2, 3. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has both, so that must be a triangle. I'm going to use a different color to cross out the ones that are not triangles. So that's not a triangle. But this one is. Maybe I'll do a little check mark. All right, let's do another one. What do you think? Is that a triangle? 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 sides. Yeah, that one is a triangle. All right, let's do another one. What do you guys think? Is that a triangle? Okay, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. What do you guys think? Is that a triangle? Weird. I don't think it is either, but it does qualify based on the things that we said it needed to be a triangle. Now remember though, this is what type of line? Yeah, that's like this. Or where it curves. And I said it has to be straight lines to be a triangle. So I'm going to go up here, and instead of sides where it has a one straight, I'm going to write, how should we change it? I'm going to say straight sides. Okay, and this one I'm going to write out corners. Corners. Okay, so now it says straight. So now we know this is not a triangle. All right, let's do another one, friends. What do you think here? I'm going to make sure I connect it so it's a closed shape. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Is that a corner? I think it is because it does. It goes up and then out. So that's 4 corners. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, so that's kind of tricky. If only that had been flat across as one line and not 2 lines, then it would be a triangle. But it has 4 and 4, so that is not a triangle. All right, last one we're going to look at. What do you guys think? Is that a triangle? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. That is a triangle. All right, friends, nice job. So now you guys are going to practice using your new knowledge of triangles in some things I've sent you. Let me show you what those are. On our first page, we have a picture of a pizza slice because triangles are all around us. So I want you guys to do that. You'll see on one of the last pages here, you can do a shape hunt, okay, for triangles around your house, okay? So first, though, on this page, it says, find the triangles and color them blue. So I got myself a blue crayon, blue. Put an X on shapes that are not triangles. Okay, so I'm going to cross out the ones that are not triangles. I'm going to use a pencil for that. I'm going to practice writing my name just once today. All right, and then I can even write the date. It's May 12th, 2020. It's good practice. If you want to write it the shorter way, you do it like I do during calendar time, where I go 5-12 or slash and then 2020. So either way. All right, let's get back to triangles. So triangles I'm going to color blue. So just like we were studying those other triangles, these ones we're going to only color in the ones that are triangles. So right away, I see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle. All those straight sides. Now I notice that pizza slice has a curved outside. Do you see that there? So that one's not technically a triangle. It's almost a triangle, but not quite. So I'm going to cross that out. This one has 3 sides and 3 corners. So that one's a triangle. Oh my gosh, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a triangle. Okay? And you're going to keep going and color them in or cross them out based on whether they're triangles or not. And at the bottom, you guys get to try your own triangles out. Maybe you want to practice drawing some different kinds. Woohoo! Bloop. So it's good to practice some different ones. On the next page, instead of cross it, you can do it the same way, or the actual directions say to color the triangles red this time and the other shapes blue. That can be kind of confusing. So if you want to do the same thing you did here, that's totally fine. If you want to follow the directions, then you would do it the other way. So you color these guys in red. So you have the triangle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all straight sides. But this one has way too many sides. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points. Oh my gosh. So I color it blue because it's a shape, but it's not a triangle. Whoa, shaky, shaky. All right. And you do the rest of them too. I'm not going to show them all because I want you to use your brain and challenge yourself. Okay. Here it says to draw 2 more triangles of your own. Again, on this page, you're coloring in the ones that are true triangles. Okay, so look at what, is it a curved line? Is it not closed? Is it not the right number of corners? What's wrong with them? Okay, and leave those ones empty or cross them out. And the last one is very similar too, but this one they're already colored in, so instead, maybe you could circle the triangles. So I'm going to circle the ones that are triangles and maybe cross out the ones that are not. Okay? Now, on the back of this last page, maybe you could do a hunt around your house and see what you could find that looks like a triangle. Now, it's up to you how specific you want to be. For example, your pizza slice. Maybe you're like, I want to draw a pizza slice. I love pizza. Yum, 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 yum. Right? Now, I'm drawing it as a triangle. See my straight lines there? So it is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. Okay? But if I were to draw it how it really is a pizza is round, right? So if I cut out a piece, you'd see the outside is a curve. Okay? So you could either just draw it as it is a triangle, or you could be like, well, I nibbled off the crust. Yum, 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 yum. And what was left is a nice triangle of cheesy pizza. What else is a triangle in your house? Tell me what else you might be able to find. It could be a triangle that's a picture on something. For example, I found on my crayon box today, I found what looks like almost a triangle. So you see right here how it's pointing up? That reminds me of a triangle, but look, it's missing the base. And even at the bottom here, I'm going to copy this shape here. So there's the triangle top, but look, it comes down. So it's actually a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. So it's not a triangle, but I could cut it off and say, look, I found a triangle. Because now 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay, so you can always find a triangle within something as well. It doesn't have to be perfect, but when you draw it, you can make it perfect. All right, thanks for joining me for learning about triangles today. I'm excited to keep working on them and to work on rectangles on Thursday. All right, see you later, friends.